For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Pusala Venkata Sindhu, a global badminton superstar, turns 25. At a young age, she has already established herself as one of the finest to have played the game. PV Sindhu has been perhaps one of the biggest sporting icons to have emerged from India in the past decades. On July 4th, Sindhu also posted series of pictures of her nephew's birthday celebration, in which her nephew Aryan and Sindhu were seen celebrating together. On the occasion of her birthday, fans flooded social media wishing on her special day.
Wishing the Indian pride PV Sindhu a very happy birthday. Happy birthday PV Sindhu Akka, Indian pride inspirational player for many young ladies. Hope you will inspire many young ladies in future with your dedication, hard work.
Sindhu, through her numerous titles at the international level, has seen her become one of the biggest sports stars in India, rivaling the stardom that only a cricketer dreams of in this country. As she turns 25 today, here we take you to a few interesting and few lesser known facts from her personal and professional career. PV Sindhu is born to elite sportspersons. Both of Sindhu's parents, PV Ramana and P. Vijaya, played volleyball at national level. In fact, Ramana was even honored with the prestigious Arjuna Award for his contribution and achievements. India badminton legend Pulela Gopichand has been her idol. After falling in love with the sport at a young age, Sindhu first began training under Mehboob Ali in Sikandarabad. That is before joining Gopichand's academy, where she was further honed for her skills. Sindhu broke into the top 20 singles rankings at the age of just 17 years in 2012. That's when she caught the world's attention after stunning London Olympics gold medalist China's Li Juri. In 2013, she became the first Indian female shuttler to win a medal at the World Championship, clinching bronze, and she followed that up with another bronze at the next edition. She then clinched 2 successive silver medals from the 2017 and 2018 World Championship. In 2013, she also won her maiden Grand Prix gold title in Malaysia. At the Rio's Olympics 2016, Sindhu entered the final of the women's singles, where she finished runners-up after a close contest with Spain's Carolina Marin. PV Sindhu created a history by becoming the first woman from India to win individual Olympic silver in the discipline. In 2019, she created history, ending her long wait of winning a gold at the World Championships, beating Nozomi Okuhara of Japan. After the summit clash, Sindhu created a record of first shuttler in Indian badminton history to do so. She has also won silver and gold medals at the Commonwealth Games in women's singles and a gold in mixed team event. She was the bronze medalist at the 2014 Asian Championships as well. For her outstanding achievements, Sindhu was bestowed with Arjuna Award in 2013, Padma Shri in 2015, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna in 2016 and Padma Bhushan in 2020. In March 2020, Sindhu was named as the BBC Indian Sportswoman of the Year. Actor Sonu Sood have bagged the rights to make a biopic on Sindhu, and details are being worked out for the film. Actress Deepika, who is daughter of former international badminton champion Prakash Padukone, to play her character in the biopic. Deepika has also been a national level badminton player.